Alright, taking a look out front here. We got some clouds, but it's still a nice day for riding. That just means a little less sunscreen needed. Okay, today's adventure. We are going to Pigstone Beach. We've never been there. We just found it on the map today. Alright, we're ready to rock. GPS is charging. Woohoo! Behind a big old truck. This crazy intersection. It's actually not so bad today. So today's traffic pretty well sucks. Alright, so we have made it to Pigstone Beach, Bali. And that was a pretty horrendous ride when it comes to traffic. But toward the very end it got a little bit interesting. The road narrowed, really narrow, as you'll see in the video. But it brought us down to this very unique spot. So what do you say we check it out? Alright, parked and ready to rock. And if we come right across the road here, first you can see we came in that way. And then there's a cow out there in the field, a few cows actually. This drops off pretty steep here, but it's not too far down into this water. And you can say, hello, Mr. Cow. Moo. And we have this stairway here with Mama posing on it, guarded by the two, whatever they are. And then if we keep walking, you've got another stairway here that goes up to nothing, I guess, unless that's a prayer tree. And a sandy beach right on the other side. And as we get down here further, signs of life. Looks like people rode their scooters down this far and drove in here, so how they're gonna get back out, that'll be interesting. And as we get closer to the ocean, you can see this drainage all the way out. Alright, so there was this big rock and it was pretty treacherous getting up here, but turn around, there you have the ocean. And you can sit right here on the edge as the waves come up, as Mama's doing now. Another little beach here. Well, I hope you enjoyed your quick experience at Pig Beach, which was interesting. Alright, so we'll be riding out up that way. One last hello to our cow friends. Bye, cows at Pig Beach. Alright, about halfway there. And really not a whole lot to see, just a bunch of really shitty traffic today. This is an area that we've never been. It's quite a rough road. Starting to get a little interesting. Finally. Alright, so according to the GPS, this is the correct way, and the road just got really narrow, so let's hope for the best.